And we're back, Again, at any time, if you guys have any recommendations for stocks you would like me to cover, feel free to ask, and I'd be more than happy to do some technical analysis for you. Also, make sure to follow the stream if you're not already. Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, all the above. So this is MRNA Moderna. It's one of the COVID vaccine-related companies. It's a very new company, especially relative to a lot of its healthcare-related peers. If we look at the financials, they're pretty abysmal. Not that good at all. Dividend, there is no dividend. In the year 2017, they had a negative 124.34% profit margin. In the year 2018, they had a negative 287.90% profit margin. In the year 2019, they had a negative 853.7% profit margin. And then 2020 happened. Their expenses remained ridiculous, but their revenue did rise significantly because of vaccine distributions, of course. That being said, their profit margin is still a negative 92.99%, which is really not super great. We were looking at some companies that had it as high as 20% profit margin today. Some had as high as 40% profit margins today. So to see these in the negative, it's not very promising. Again, no dividend. We're at a market cap of $133 billion. Again, for a company with that, we only have price history data dating back to 2019. It's really high. Really high. But this is an IPO that could have made you money over the past year or two. That's now two vaccine-related stocks. We could do like Johnson & Johnson if that's what you guys are interested in. As we are emerging out of the corona vaccine hysteria, it does kind of make sense for there to be a sell-off in companies such as Moderna. As you can see here, there's they kind of already started with their sell-off from the price point of $450 to their current price. That's a 26% drop-off in the past 35 days. That's not many days at all. As as the adoption rate for this vaccine continues to rise, demand I see subsequently inversely pulling back for things like at least coronavirus vaccines. Who knows? Maybe there's another vaccine right around the corner that we're gonna need. But as for the current corona trade, I don't know. I wouldn't be scaling into any of these vaccine-related companies currently, but maybe you see some value that I'm missing. Feel free to let me know in chat if there's anything I'm missing, anything I'm doing wrong, anything you'd like to see me improved. Speak now or forever hold your peace. We're going to move to the next company here.